In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open File Manager in Hostinger. This straightforward process will allow you to manage your website files easily and efficiently, so let's get started. First, you'll want to log into your Hostinger account. To do this, open up your preferred web browser and navigate to hpanel.hostinger.com. Once the page loads, enter your login details and hit Enter. You'll be taken directly to the Hostinger control panel, where you can access all the tools and features that Hostinger offers. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the navigation at the top of the page. You'll see several tabs there, and what you're looking for is the one labeled Websites. Click on this tab, and it will take you to a list of all the websites associated with your Hostinger account. Once you're on the Websites tab, your next step is to find the specific website you want to work on. Look through the list until you locate your website, and once you do, you'll notice there's an option to click on its dashboard. Select this option, which will redirect you to the dashboard view of your chosen website. Here in the dashboard, you'll find various tools to manage different aspects of your site. Focus your attention on the left sidebar, or alternatively, you might find the options in the main dashboard area, depending on the interface preference you've selected. What you want to look for is the section labeled Files. When you see it, click on Files and then select File Manager. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on this option will open the File Manager in a new tab or window, making it convenient to access your files while keeping the main dashboard open for easy navigation. The File Manager is a user-friendly tool that allows you to view, edit, upload, and manage your site's files directly on the server. It resembles a basic file explorer you'll be familiar with from your computer, providing a straightforward way to handle your files without requiring additional FTP software. With the File Manager open, you're now ready to explore and manage your website's content effortlessly. And there you have it. You've successfully opened the File Manager in Hostinger. Whether you're planning to upload new files, edit existing ones, or simply explore what is stored on your server, you now have all the access you need. We hope this guide helps you feel more confident finding and using the File Manager feature in Hostinger. Thanks for watching, and happy managing.